Hey brother, this is our desktop counting machine. You see, this is all stainless steel 304, and we use the Japanese sensor for sensor the pills, and this is the forehead, and use the PLC touch screen, and you see the frame everything. And here is connected with the dust connector. If the pill or capsule is many powder, so you can connect with the dust connector. This is the testing. We will testing the machine. You see here. This is touch screen. Here. That's the connector. The turntable. This is the inside. You see here is used very thick steel plate, and this is the vibrator, and this is the PLC. This is the PLC inside, and this is old design. This is the steel very thin thickness. So you see here, but now you see here, it's different. So we use here, and more stable, more good. And here is the desktop with the conveyor. So with the people, if he needed, he just sit here and use this conveyor to move the bottles with the counting.